Hello, everyone. Ben Bryce, joined by Sam on Thursday, September 26th, to give you your midday mayhem. And Sam, a lot of stuff's been happening this week. Grains are a little bit higher. It's been exciting. We're finally seeing some movement out of these markets in this, sideways range we've been in. So, is there any reason behind that? Is there anything you're seeing out there today that would indicate what's going on?
It seems like there's a lot of hope with that dryness in Brazil. And that could be causing those funds to start covering their shorts, especially in soybeans. I mean, right now, soybeans are 10.58 a couple days ago, 10.50 still right now. And we haven't seen that for I don't know how long.
Right. Yeah, it's been a while. And I think that right now, these grains, what we're looking at, funds coming in and buying, dryness in Brazil, the price that we have, the price advantage over South America seems to be really moving these markets right now, at least maybe on the demand side. We've been having consistently really week after week good sales with these beans. And even though it's not a record, another record sales week, it's still, fifth best ever. So I think that's something that you need to be looking at too when you're looking at these markets on top of, maybe why are the funds buying back? Are they taking profits? Could be end of the month, end of the quarter, but you also got to keep in mind too that there might be a demand story coming in for these beans, especially like you mentioned with that South American weather. So over to the livestock a little bit here. What are we seeing there? What's going on?
There's some interesting stuff going on with the livestock, especially with box beef. We're seeing a significant downtrend in box beef right now, and that packer cushion is getting pretty tight.
Okay.
And we're seeing some prices still holding strong right now, but the question is for how long?
Right. Yeah, these prices have come up. They look good. They've kind of maybe they've hit some resistance. I don't know, but it seems like the cattle, like you mentioned, I mean, they were following box beef for so long, but now it seems like the cattle and the box beef numbers have started to diverge a little bit. Is there anything else in the cattle that you're looking at, maybe a correlation with something else, maybe what could push or indicate where this market might be headed?
Right now, it might be time to look at what's going on in the larger economy, especially with that on the consumer end.
Right.
Will we have enough customer demand to really keep those prices up?
That's a good question. I mean, when you're looking at what is driving these prices, it always comes down to consumer demand. And right now, the economy, these numbers wise, are good, and we're getting rate cuts, which doesn't necessarily mean that that's going to be looking good in the future. So when you're talking about the cattle, right, the demand is what we need to continue to see. And if the S&P and the Dow continue to stay strong, you have people working, you have low unemployment, it's going to look great. But as we head into this election season, and as we go into next year, is that going to be the case? Because inflation is going to come back up pretty quick, and everyone's dollar is going to go just a little bit less as par. So we got to keep that in mind when we're looking at the cattle market. Guys, thank you for watching. Sam, thank you for being here. We have a report next Monday, finishing off the month and starting a new week with quarterly grain stocks. So keep your eye out for that. We have estimates out there already. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're available anytime. 1-800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538. Thank you guys for being here, and thank you guys again for watching. Have a good one.